Now guys, as I give you all the tips for all the gadgets that you use all the time, but I'm sure this one is going to be one of the most important one, because WhatsApp has just come up with 2 new features. Lots of users were complaining calls from unknown numbers and eventually ending up in a scammy situation. So now you have the option to silence those calls from unknown numbers straight away with just one click. And if you're thinking that उस टाइम पे क्या होगा जब कोई आपका पुराना दोस्त आपको कॉल कर रहा है, the call logs gonna be there, but basically the concept is that you don't get disturbed by these unknown callers. And at times लोग बहुत scams में फंस रहे थे, तो this is again a good thing from that point of view. And additionally we have one more thing which is very important for all the users of WhatsApp, because at times privacy settings are hidden deep inside the menus, but now we have a new privacy guide which is going to show you all possible options for different attributes, and the user can then decide that उनको कौन सी settings रखनी है, कितना privacy को maintain करना है, कितना नहीं करना है. Basically, given the kind of size of user base that WhatsApp has, I'm sure these 2 new features will bring in safe chatting environment for all of us.